Hi and welcome to my fourth video of my Linux project. What I'm going to do today, how to install the firewall on Linux Mint. All you got to do first is go down here where it says terminal, open that, and type in sudo apt install gufw. Enter that. Type in your password. Says already got the version. This means I already got it installed, but what it does is installs it, and during the installation it's going to ask you to click yes or no. Click yes, and then it's going to go through some more stuff, and then it's going to finish. So I'm going to exit that, and then you go to your menu, go to preferences, and scroll down where you see firewall configuration. Click on that, and then type in your password. Click that, and then wait till it loads. Then your firewall is on. So what you do is gonna end up being like that first, where it says off. What you want to do is slide it over where it says on, and then you can customize your stuff you want to customize, like incoming, select allow, outgoing, select allow or deny. And then you come down to the rules, click it down, then make up some rules by clicking add, and then policy allow, direction in, just click these down, out, or whatever, both, category all, like audio and video, stuff like that, subcategory applications and stuff like that. That's pre-configured. Then simple, you just go down to that again, and advanced, just do all these stuff, and then voila. And that's how you install your firewall and configure stuff with it. Thanks for watching, and watch for more Linux videos.